Hi property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we are in the community of Pembroke Hall, Kingston 20, Jamaica, and we will be looking at this brand new development by the name of Ken Hill Palms. Here you will find only 4 units for sale. The prices start at 28 million Jamaican dollars. The square footage, it ranges from 900 square feet to approximately 1,200 square feet. So I want to show you on the inside, but before we do that, I want to encourage you and remind you to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. If you're interested in this property, you may contact the listing agent, Tashna Grant. Her contact information will be at the end of this video. You may also find her contact details as well as additional information in our description box. Now we're going to go on the inside where I'll tell you a lot more about this property. Let's go. As a resident of this complex, you will enjoy the benefits of an automatic gate. You'll also have a pedestrian gate which is coded for security purposes. You have your parking space here, and there is also additional parking space at the front. Now, if you take a look at the building, you will see that we have moldings around our windows. And we also have a rooftop terrace that we're going to look at later on. So let's go on the inside. So property viewers, as I mentioned earlier, this is an intimate complex. We only have 4 units here. And as you can see, we have a little clutter here, but that is because there is still some construction taking place here, just the minor cosmetic stuff. So here on this level, we have 2 units, and both of them are approximately 900 square feet. Both of them are also 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and they are going for 28 million Jamaican dollars. But we're heading upstairs where we're going to be looking at our 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms unit. So let's go. So here on this level, you will find our 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom units, and they are for sale at 32 million Jamaican dollars. Both of them are approximately 1,200 square feet. Welcome to one of our 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom units. property viewers, as you can see here, we have an open floor plan. Here we are currently in our kitchen. Here we have our granite countertops. We have double sinks and upper and lower white cabinets. We have our backsplash installed, our space for stove, and here is the space for our refrigerator. I want to bring your attention to the floor. There you will find our porcelain floor tiles, and above us you'll find really nice tray ceilings with recessed lights, and all the light fixtures that you'll see inside this unit comes with all the units. Now we're moving into our dining living space. So here we have this space that we will utilize as our living space. It allows a lot of natural light to come in, so you'll find that inside here is quite bright and airy. Right off this space, we head down this passage right here, and we are now in one of our bedrooms. Now you can see that this space to my right, you may enclose this area and use it as a closet. You can see also, if you look above us, the tray ceilings and the recessed lights, they continue throughout. Also, the porcelain floor tiles, they also continue throughout. We have two very nice windows, good sized windows, and our piping for our air conditioning unit. We have our ceiling fan installed. So all these little fixtures are already here for you to utilize. Now off this bedroom, we have this very long balcony. It extends all the way to the back of the unit. So it is actually the length of the entire unit. So you will have access to this balcony from the kitchen or the living area, and also from this bedroom. Okay, so here we are back in our bedroom, and now we will be looking on the ensuite. So we have this lovely ensuite. We have here floor to ceiling wall tiles and this beautiful finish right here. We also have our glass enclosure shower stall, and I really do love the details of the tile that is used inside here. We have our rain shower head, and it has an handheld piece, or window, or toilet, and or vanity, and this is just nice. Lovely ensuite bathroom. Okay everyone, let us head on over to the other side of the building. So on this side, let us head inside the washroom. We have our washroom. We have ample storage space inside here. We can fit our washer, our dryer. We can install some shelves or some cupboards. This is a lovely space to do laundry in. Right here, we have our bathroom, our second bathroom. And as you can see, it is just as lovely as the primary bathroom in the primary bedroom. We have the lovely floor to ceiling wall tiles and our recessed lights in the ceiling, our glass enclosure shower stall, and the same rain shower head with the handheld fixture. Very similar to the one that we looked at earlier. Here we have a niche and our window. It gives us a really nice view of the mountain outside. So here we have our vanity and our toilet. Okay guys, so let us all head into our secondary bedroom. Now we are in our secondary bedroom and I want to show you the space that you may utilize as your closet. You can just enclose right here and you have a lovely closet space. Now this bedroom, you see that it is fitted with a ceiling fan just like the primary bedroom. We have our recessed lights and our tray ceiling, and down below we have our porcelain floor tiles. We have these two very big windows, and I must say that the view from this one is my favorite. We get to enjoy the mountain views of Red Hills, and we also get to enjoy the sunlight and the wind that is here in this community. Okay, property viewers, so let us all head to the rooftop terrace. Come everyone. Welcome to the rooftop terrace, property viewers. Here, as you can see, we have a gazebo. We can have a number of events here and enjoy this space. I want to show you the breathtaking views that we have here. Look how lovely the mountains are. They're beautiful. And right here to my left, we have the views of Red Hills. So in this space, we can have a number of events and just enjoy the breeze and the sunshine of Jamaica. Property viewers, just to remind you about some of the features of this complex. Here we have our automatic gate system with CCTV camera system installed. We also have a drying yard to the back of the complex that you may utilize. Here you may also find our rooftop terrace where you can enjoy your events. Property viewers, this is an ideal location. It's very high in demand. The units below are 28 million Jamaican dollars, and the units on the first floor, they are for 32 million Jamaican dollars. If you're interested in this property, you may contact Tashna Grant. Her contact information will be in the description box, and it will also be at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, property viewers. Please subscribe to our channel if you have been benefiting and enjoying our content. Please leave us a comment. Tell us what you like about this property and like this video. We will see you in the next property tour. Bye.